Susan Burdett's best friend has told a court she confided in her about a secret relationship with a man named Mike before she was killed. Malcolm Rewa is on trial for the murder of Ms Burdett, who was found clubbed to death in her South Auckland home 27 years ago. Today, Ms Burdett's friend told the jury about a secret man she was seeing. Annika Smith is covering the trial at the High Court in Auckland and filed this report.
Winsome Anstey was today called as the second and final witness in Malcolm Rewa's defence. She told the jury Susan Burdett was her best friend and told her many things, including a romantic secret.
Well, she came and visited me at home, popped in the back door as per normal, didn't need to knock, and she was acting a bit coy. She says, "I've got something to tell you, and I don't want you to tell anyone else." And she said, "I don't want anyone else to know."
Winsome Anstey said she felt shocked as Susan Burdett told her more.
She did tell me his full name, but I only remember the name Mike. He was a Maori man. He had gang affiliations. He was married. I think she said he had kids. And she met him down at the Tempin Bowling.
The court had previously heard Malcolm Rewa was a senior member of the Highway 61 gang who had a wife and children. He went by the nickname Hammer, but was also known as Michael Lewis. Rewa maintains he was having a secret sexual relationship with Ms Burdett. Yesterday he told the court they had consensual sex the night she died and he had nothing to do with her rape or death. Mrs Anstey said her friend told her she would party with Mike and others on a yacht.
I was rather intrigued because Sue wasn't really a boating person. I think they stayed overnight and the guys were doing drugs. That was another shock, that she would be associated with that because the Sue I knew was anti-drugs, anti-alcohol.
Rewa had previously given evidence that he never went Tempin bowling with Susan Burdett and had never been on a boat with her. Mrs Anstey told the jury she emailed the police with her story in 2017 after hearing Rewa might face a third trial. In the email, she names a Mike Rewa, but recanted this on the stand today, saying she couldn't remember the last name. Crown Prosecutor Gareth Kays questioned why she had not approached authorities earlier.
These are memories that you remembered after reading media articles, weren't they?
Well, I would say it probably triggered my memory.
Well, you said in the email, didn't you, that you thought you maybe had forgot or buried your memories. Is that right?
Definitely buried a lot of memories.
I suggest to you that with all the years that have passed, your memory about what Susan Burdett told you over 25 years ago isn't reliable. Do you accept that that's a fair comment?
It could be a fair comment.
Mrs Anstey said she had been in shock after Susan Burdett died and confirmed she had told police this may be the last chance to get justice for her friend. The Crown and Defence will close their cases tomorrow. Ātuiti ko te mātua ko Annika Smith aho.